Good morning, guys. Today is May 13th, Friday the 13th. It's 1:24 a.m. which means I haven't gone to sleep yet. Yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep now, so maybe I'll get a little less than 4 hours of sleep tonight. So see you in the real morning. Bye. Good morning, guys. It is about 5:20 something in the morning, but I need to get ready. So yeah, my alarm on my phone. It's the Wake Up Call song by SHINee. I wake up to Taman and the rest of SHINee calling me honey and telling me to wake up. It's a good way to wake up. Yeah, okay, I need to charge this camera. But, okay, see you at school.
Hi, it's me. I'm at school right now. Hi. Okay, this is really awesome. Are you still recording? Okay. Okay, well, okay. Hi, these are my friends. These are my friends. Say hello.
My only friend on the boat.
Actually, these people are all on Tumblr, so, yeah. Yay! Fellow Tumblrians. Wait, is that a word? Tumblrians? Okay, well, Tumblrians.
I say Tumblr.
Tumblr.
I say Tumblr.
Tumboner.
Tumblr.
These are all my friends. And they're awesome. Hey, jerk! She hired us.
You paid us all.
I was paid all $20. Yeah. Why did you say I don't approve this message? Because I'm a loner, apparently. Forever alone, face. What did I say? I don't know. Say whatever. I don't know what. You're looking depressed. You're like, ooh, what is that? It's a turtle. It's a Jakey Jake. Oh, by the way, this is Caroline. She's my best friend. Say hi.
Hi, this is Jacob. I'm Shaw, and we're a gay couple. I'm part of the Gay Honor Society Club.
Gay Honor Society? I didn't know they had an honor society. Straight alliance.
No, we don't want to turn.
That's too mainstream.
We just want to invite you guys because you don't have to hide all the time. We're open. We're here for you. Don't be afraid to step out.
Thank you for those
What are we doing here?
encouraging words. I don't know. I'm just recording stuff.
Don't take this Brian's class. Encouraging words.
Wait, no, words of wisdom. One index card for an oral commentary. How many did you have? One with 4 flaps, you know. IB students always find a way around. This is 20-minute break. This is our lunchtime kind of thing.
You have your book?
Oh, thank you, Caroline. This is our lunchtime kind of thing. This is not, it's not even really lunch because it's 20 minutes and that's not long enough. But say hi, Garrett. This is my locker. Yeah, Justin Bieber. Okay. I'm on the bus. Everybody say hi.
Say hi, Ryan. Don't be rude. Stop. You're being mean. Stop.
This is of him and her bench. Okay, there you go. This is Antoine. This is Antoine. Okay, this is Riley. This is Riley. This is my best friend. Yeah, I'm the hip though.
What?
Trolleys.
I thought the trolleys.
I don't say trolley. I
Yeah, who's a trolley? Who says a trolley? Maybe a troll face guy?
Okay, I'm at home now on the computer eating my lovely light, Yoplait light key lime pie yogurt. Now you get to see my computer in action. Here, touchscreen. Here, watch. Oh look, you see that? One day, all of them. Kind of sucks though, because like their faces are cut off, but you can see Kun. You can see Nicktoon, so it's all good. There's Jay. There's Wooyoung. Done song. Yep, there you go. Jinsu for you, Amanda. I'm gonna press Tumblr. And hopefully it will load. Yay, Tumblr! Okay, time to read my makeup. Oh my god, look. Naruto is a freaking badass. Let's see. Tumblr, Tumblr, Tumblr. Hello, hello, oh my gosh! Yay! Yes, yeah. Codebreaker! Codebreaker! It's so pretty. Look at that. Yay! Oh my gosh, yay! Wait, I don't want to spoil this for you. You shouldn't look at this part. Short class! Yay! Quick message to the Force. I love you guys. Yeah. I do a giant heart to express my giant love for you.